Alright, so here is my airplane, the United 737-700 from Newark to Dallas Fort Worth. Looks like it should be a light load this morning. We're going to leave at 6:30, pretty early, so I should have all 3 seats to myself. And here is the ramp out here. In the gate area. Alright, there's another view of my 737-700. And there's a 757. But there is the New York skyline, beautiful sunrise. Empire State Building, World Trade Center is behind that big air conditioned box. But yeah, there it is. There's the ramp, the United ramp in Newark.
65 homes and businesses damaged or destroyed by that. Close to 3,000 power outages there. The twister packing one. White House believes is critical to reining in Vladimir Putin.
United
What we've seen repeatedly from Putin is when the pressure increases, he makes tactical retreats.